called a C-cap. A CAP, C-A-P, stands for Continuous Assembly Pattern. You are continuously assembling multiple things together to create a different pattern. So you're cutting this 4-petal anti-spin flower in half, and you're cutting this 0-petal in-spin flower in half, and you're combining them together. So you take half of the 4-petal and half of the 0-petal and combine them to get half of that, anti-spin for half, in-spin for half, anti-spin for half, in-spin, anti-in, anti-in. And then, not surprisingly, each hand is doing the same thing at the same time. So you're taking this 4-petal and dividing it in half, so doing that part, and then this 0-petal and dividing it in half and combining them together to form your continuously assembled pattern. And then this is both hands. Do this mirrored, so you'll work with your left hand and I'll work with my right hand. And you'll be an underhand with your left hand. And we'll start first with the anti-spin portion. So the anti-spin portion, you're going from this bottom position at 6 o'clock out to what you see as my 9 o'clock. And then you're going from the side position up to the top in one motion. And so the point at this point in the turn, whereas at the bottom, you start moving your hand up so that it gets to the top of the rotation up there. And then immediately it's going to go from there all the way around to the bottom. Then as it's coming up from here on the bottom, you're going to go out to the side again. And so as you come from here, this part of the turn, as it comes across that part, you go out to the side. Then as it goes across the bottom, you go up to the top. And then from here, it's going to come swing back down to the bottom. And then you're going to go out to the side and then pop it up to the top. And swing down to the bottom, out to the side, and up to the top. Now, to go down to the bottom is really intuitive. At the top of the turn, you swing to the bottom. What is not intuitive is when you get to the bottom, knowing when to push it out to the side. As it's coming around the turn and getting to this near horizontal point, that's when you start moving the arm and then immediately moving it back up. So it'll go out and up, down, out and up, down, out and up, down, out and up, down. It happens that fast. Going from here, you want it really at 6. Let's pop it out to the side and hold it there. Now, as it's coming across the bottom here, this is where you start moving your hand up to the top position and you pop it up to the top. And then you're going to swing it back down to the bottom. For the purposes of this exercise, holding it up here is cool and all, but you don't actually really need to do that in the move. So what I think might be useful is if from this position, you go up, you go up and then extend down to the bottom and hold it down at the bottom. Okay, now when you go up, you want to make sure you swing out as far as you can as opposed to sliding your hand down, right? It's a big extension, big extension. Popping it from the bottom to the side. That motion, you have to start feeling it as it's coming up towards the top. This is when your hand is going to pump out to the side and let it go around. So you pump to the side and immediately up and then back down to the bottom. Pump, then down. Swing down. Pump to the side, pump to the top, swing down. Pump to the side, pump to the top, swing down. And 5, 6, 7, and pop to the side, pop to the top, and swing down and hold it at the bottom. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, top, down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, top, down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, top, down. 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 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, down. Also an underhand. So this is your right hand. This is my left hand. I'm mirroring you again. Okay, we're going from here out to here. Remember to keep it in the T, so not too high. And then we're gonna go from the side up top and then swing it around to the bottom. Pop to the side, pop it up, and swing to the bottom. Pop to the side, pop it up, swing to the bottom. To the side, take it up, swing it around to the bottom. To the side. Now in one motion, I want you to go top and swing. And then to the side, and then in one motion, 5, 6, 7, 8, top and swing. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, 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 swing. Let's do it again, what we were just doing. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, top, swing. 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 Instead of 5, 6, 7, 8, I'll count 7, 8. So we'll only rest for 2 counts. 7, 8, side, top, swing. 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 7, 8, out, up, down. 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 And 7, 8, out, up, down. 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 7, 8, out, up, down.